go. All right, today is Saturday,
July 11th.
2009, and we're getting ready to eat our first solid food, rice cereal. We've got Sarah's silver spoon from when she was a baby, and her Peter Rabbit China bowl. All right, you ready? Are you ready to try? You can get this all over you.
He's distracted by this.
By the camera.
It's like, what's going on?
Here,
all right, go ahead.
Come over this way.
No.
You're a ham. You're a ham. Dribble, dribble, dribble. Dribble, dribble, dribble. Go over this way.
Thinking ahead to use a bib, huh?
Come over this way so I can get in. Come here. Is that weird? Does it taste weird? Huh? Does it taste weird? Here, let's try some more. We can clean this boppy. This is our ghetto high chair until the real thing comes. Here, come here. Try some more. Swallow, swallow. Like, nah, that ain't happening. I think most of this has ended up on his chest. Come here. Come here. Come here, wild one. It goes in one end and comes out the other. Here, let's sit you up a little bit better. Up. Come Like, yeah, give it to me, give it to me.
So you can spit it out.
He's like, I. Lick the spoon.
Turn it over on his tongue.
I don't want to hurt his gums. Yummy. You got a long way to go with this too.
To thicken it up.
Nah, this is what the recipe said for his first feeding, so we don't choke. Want some more? I think we need a bib.
You think? We need a plastic bib with a catcher at the bottom. Because you like to spit it all out.
You're so sweet.
Goes in one end and comes out the same end.
He says, "What is this? What? I'm not
Just
used
wait.
to this."
About 5-6 years, you'll enjoy watching this.
Hey, try. He's like, I just want to grab that spoon. You want to feed yourself? You want to try it?
Mom's silver spoon. You're born with the silver spoon in your mouth.
That's not true.
What if he's eating any of it?
I'm sure he got, you know, a morsel down.
Quarter of a drop.
Are we supposed to do this every day?
Too busy watching the camera.
Focus, focus. He knows it's coming though. He's so brilliant.
Mm-hmm.
Ooh. Did you keep that in? Sort of. No.
What is this? Alright, how do I stop it?
Just hit the top button.